To check your transaction history on SoFi, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app or website to find your financial transactions easily. Step 1. Open the SoFi app or website. Launch the SoFi app on your mobile device or visit the SoFi website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, locate the account section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard where your account balances and details are displayed. Step 3. Select the transaction history option. In the account section, look for an option labeled Transaction History, Activity, or similar. Click or tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You may have the option to filter your transactions by date type or category. Use these filters to narrow down your search to specific transactions you want to review. Step 5. Review your transactions. Once you have filtered your transactions, scroll through the list to review the details. You can click on individual transactions for more information if needed. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on SoFi. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to SoFi's customer support for assistance.